Hello, Tariq Samar Tariq Day here.
Already, Judge Courtship Feaster Assistant Public Defender on behalf of Mr. Day.
He's there. Can you turn on your camera, sir?
I don't have any contract with a public defender's office.
You what?
I don't have any contract with the public defender's office to represent me.
You don't have a contract with them?
Correct.
Yes, Judge. I reached out to Mr. Day to try to help pre-try this case.
It's going to be a Bellinger's thing?
I think so, Judge.
Okay, go for it.
My understanding is that he had enough counsel that he's going to have, I believe, on his file. And I wish him good luck if that's the case, but I don't see another attorney here. So I don't know what's going on, Your Honor.
No,
Mr. Day?
I'm defending myself. I told him that I would notify the court that I relieved him of any implied obligations to this case.
So you're going to represent yourself?
I'm defending myself, correct.
Okay, then you need to be here. Now.
Well, as I told the court, I requested a Zoom hearing because I have COVID. So there's no way I can.
In a vehicle with a hat on, no mask. Oh.
I am inside my vehicle right now.
What'd you say?
I said yes, because I'm inside my vehicle right now. I work outside. I'm away from the general public.
Did you go to the hospital regarding the COVID diagnosis?
Excuse me?
Have you been to the doctor regarding the COVID diagnosis?
It's against my religion.
Okay, so here's what you're going to do. Then I'm going to say, okay, you've got COVID. I want you here. When's our last block? 3 o'clock today. Wear a mask if you're going to represent yourself.
I can't make that. Is there a later date?
Oh, yeah, you can. 3 o'clock.
3:30, I can make that.
I'll be here at 3 o'clock.
Well, I'll be there at 3:30, and if there's any issue, then
okay. And at 3 o'clock, I may issue a bench warrant. Be here at 3 o'clock. I'll pass this matter. Thank you.
There's no bench warrant to be issued because this court didn't have.
Okay, I'll determine that at 3 o'clock.
The court
See
didn't
you at
have.
3 o'clock. Thank you.
This court does not have jurisdiction.
You're welcome, Mr. Feaster. Cut his line. Why don't we do this? Give me about 3 minutes. I'm going to take a recess, then I'm going to come back because everything's going downhill, and it's those two guys' fault. What's your name?
Tariq Samar Tariq Day, the executive of the Tariq Samar Tariq Day Living Trust. Last owner, Tariq Wilson Estate.
Sir, you indicated that you wish to represent yourself on this matter?
Yes.
All right. You understand at your arraignment, you were given the charges that were have been filed against you?
I was given a charge. So if there were any additional, I was not given those charges. The only charge I got was a fleeing and eluding.
Fleeing and eluding 3rd degree.
3rd degree, correct. And if anything else was tallied onto that, then I was not told.
Okay. I have 1 charge.
Okay.
That is a felony punishable by up to 5 years incarceration and $1,000 fine plus court costs. The Secretary of State would be required upon your conviction to suspend your license for a period of 1 year. You understand that, sir?
I do, but I have some questions.
As soon as I get through this, you have indicated that you wish to represent yourself. I have to advise you that there are some dangers in you representing yourself. You understand that, sir?
I do comprehend.
And you understand that if you proceed to represent yourself, that the court is not going to assist you to understand the procedures or anything regarding the court proceeding, that you will be responsible for that. And I will be holding you to the same standard that I would be holding the attorneys in the room in terms of even ruling on evidence or anything along those lines in regard to the procedure and the process. You understand that, sir?
Correct. I comprehend.
All right. You also, so I will ask you again, do you still continue to wish to represent yourself in this matter?
Yes, I will be defending myself.
You understand also, sir, that should you change your mind and could not afford to hire an attorney and wish to be represented by an attorney, the court would consider making sure that you are afforded counsel. You understand that?
I comprehend.
How do you wish to proceed on this matter, sir?
First, I want to like an oral motion for dismissal based on the fact of the lack of probable cause and also the lack of personal and subject matter jurisdiction based on the fact that this is a trust matter from the name to the private conveyance that was stolen by the third party Wall Street Towing and impounded on the colorful law actions of Officer Trowbridge of the Washington County Sheriff's Department. Also, I have not been able to, as of Constitution Amendment 6, being able to face my accuser. With the state of Michigan being a fictitious entity and there's no injured party, there's no crime that has been committed. And again, to the probable cause of the initial stop and the arrest cannot be proven. There was no probable cause for the arrest or stop. There was no warrant on hand for the arresting officer to conduct an arrest. And even more so, again, as I stated, this is trust property, so this court doesn't have jurisdiction to adjudicate over the foreign trust.
Yeah. Finish.
Oh, no, actually, I was also moving to place you and the clerk as fiduciaries over the trust. And I'll be able to supply you all with the adequate assurance certificate of security to settle and offset the charges.
Well, he will be doing nothing to me and nothing to my clerk. So whatever that motion was, that's denied. As to your other motion regarding all of that, quite frankly, it doesn't make any sense. We haven't even had the probable cause hearing. There will be a determination at the next stage as to whether or not there's probable cause regarding the charges.
I was told this was a probable cause hearing,
This is a probable cause hearing.
so I don't understand what you're saying.
I know you don't understand.
They're not having a probable cause.
Pardon?
You said that no probable cause was had, but then you said that this is a probable cause hearing.
You have not had your preliminary examination, at which there will be a determination as to whether or not there's probable cause to believe that the crime has been committed and you committed it. That is the next stage. That has not happened. So to the extent that your motion is even valid, which I do not believe that it is, and certainly you may raise it at a later date, but to the extent that it's valid, at least at this point, your motion is premature, and therefore your motion is denied. Anything else?
Well, lastly, I want to also put on the record, I wasn't able to provide all my exhibits based on, as I told you, I was
You weren't able to do what?
provide my exhibits
To whom?
to the court to help for my defense, the evidences.
You haven't had a hearing yet.
I comprehend it. I'm just saying that I usually have my documents precede me before any hearings take place, and I wasn't able to because I was under the weather. That was my point. So they will be here, if not by the end of the day in the drop-off box, and you'll have them tomorrow. But you all will be served with the proper documents, and the taxes as well will be filed on the case.
Okay. Anything else?
No, not at this time.
All right. So how would you like to proceed next on this?
Entering a plea of demurrer.
Okay, you've already done that.
I've already entered a plea of demurrer. I'm not sure when that took place other than right now.
That took place on the arraignment on the complaint, sir.
I never pleaded demurrer. There was
You
a,
stood mute, you stood demure. You don't even know what that means. You're just using words and have no concept
No.
as to what they mean.
demure and mute are two separate things, but that's neither here.
No, they're not. You have no legal degree. They are not,
Don't need to.
they are not,
I'm not here.
they are virtually the same thing. So where do you wish to proceed now?
As I stated, my
Do
motion,
you wish this set for preliminary examination? Your motions have been
I
denied.
wish for the prosecution to provide the evidence that any of this needs.
You
to-
don't have discovery on this case. Is that what you're asking?
I'm not asking for discovery whatsoever.
So what are you asking for?
I stated that the prosecution needs to prove that a crime was committed and they also need to show and prove that there is an injured party for the crime to have even been committed.
As I've indicated, you will have that hearing. Do you wish to have discovery?
Discovery should be provided regardless. There's no wish about
Do
it.
you wish to have
Discovery should be
discovery?
provided.
Don't play word games with me.
I'm not playing.
Mr. Allen,
Discovery,
not play word games with me. You're playing with the wrong judge. You can smile and smirk all you want.
I'm not trying.
I'm giving you your warning. I will ask you again. Do you wish to have discovery provided to you?
Yes,
Do we have copies of discovery available that can be provided to this defendant?
No, Your Honor, I know that the PD was representing this individual. I don't have copies right now.
I got you. Okay. So are there copies of the police report as well as other discovery that's in the hands of the public defender's office?
I do see traffic stops and discovery videos onto our program.
All
We
right,
have documents.
all right. Those need to be gotten to the defendant.
Yes, sir.
How soon can those be gotten to the defendant?
I can get those in hopefully by tomorrow around.
You have an address for him to send those to him?
Yes, I do. I can confirm it with him too.
All right. What do you have as the address? Do you have an address on, is it share?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay.
11410.
Okay, gotcha. All right, you'll make sure that that is sent to him.
I will.
You also have an email address so that all things can be emailed to him also.
I do, Your Honor.
All right. Very good. Sir, did you wish to then have another PCC or did you wish to proceed immediately to preliminary examination?
I would like to first have a jurisdiction hearing,
What kind of jurisdiction here?
personal and subject matter.
Okay. Go ahead and raise it because I can deal with it right now. What's the personal jurisdiction?
This court, as well as the state lacks personal jurisdiction, I'm simply here under threat and arrest and coercion of
State of
you,
Michigan
saying that
versus
you
Zachary
will help
Durant.
put out a bench
Good
warrant for
afternoon,
my
Your Honor.
arrest. The subject matter in
right,
regards to
and
the
we are ready
name
to
as well as the
proceed.
vessel
People are ready to
that
go.
was used is again
Mr. Duran, Your Honor,
it
defense is
was
ready to proceed at this time.
All
conveyed
right, very
and
good.
is
You may call your.
held and
Thank you, Your
protected
Honor.
within the
People call
trust.
John Duran, and just for the record, I had a
And
brief
according
conversation
to
with the
Article
defense
1,
counsel. My
Section 10,
understanding is willing
Clause
to
2 of the United
stipulate
States
some
Constitution,
People's
there could
Exhibit
be no
2
legislative laws
that
that
people intend to admit, so I move to admit that
could
now.
intercede or to
provide testimony
interrupt
for that later on.
the functioning of
And
a
Your Honor, for
contract,
exam purposes, we
which
would
the trust
stipulate
is
to what the
properly,
pre-marked people to these
and the trust is
messages.
properly functioning at this time. So with that,
All right, so
Okay.
here's what we'll do.
Exhibit 2.
Because you're rambling
Correct.
again.
I will admit.
So what we
Exhibit
will
2, although
do is
it's
you
been
will
marked
put
and I'll
all of your
admit that once
jurisdictional
it
arguments in
comes out.
writing
Sir, please come forward to be sworn.
because you're wrong. So we might as well get it in writing that you're wrong. Because I have subject matter jurisdiction over you, and I have personal jurisdiction over you under the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of
My
Michigan.
name is John Dewar Jr. Spelling on the last name is D-O-R-A-N.
So if you want to put your objections to jurisdiction in writing, you may do so, and then I will address those in
Thank
due
you.
course.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing?
Awesome. So
Sir, where
that
do
would be
you
the next
live?
step, and I can get those in today.
Either you're gonna have another PCC, if you want me to set it
Is that
for
here
a
in
hearing,
Multnomah
I'll
County?
set it for a hearing.
Yeah,
Did you
for
live at that
the
address on
But I
September
have nothing
6th
to
of
set it for
2025?
hearing on. You have
I
not
want to draw your
filed anything
attention
regarding
to that
jurisdiction.
date. Did
Okay, so
anything
for right
happen
now,
that